G'day, let's have a look at these 3M Peltor WS LiteCom Pro 3. So these are earmuffs that have a built-in radio, built-in active noise cancelling or noise shutoff, and then also Bluetooth connectivity. So this set's absolutely packed with features. It's not all that cheap, but it is absolutely fantastic. This one's a couple of years old. I've had it for a couple of years. I have obviously looked after it because it's an expensive piece of kit, but it's also got extensive use out there in the field, and it's been absolutely fantastic. So there's a lot of bells and whistles to it. It's not a compact set, so it doesn't fold up like some of these other sets. Obviously it takes up a lot of room, but that's got a lot of features. So these cups here, I gotta say, these are absolutely fantastic. You can wear this all day and you're not gonna have any issues at all. It is really comfortable. So the foam on the outside is quite thick and really comfortable, and then on the inside there's plenty of room in there for your ears, obviously on both sides. The top here is all padded, so it's got this nice padding all the way through. So again, you can wear this all day and it's going to be quite comfortable. So that's a really nice feature of that as well. On the side here, so I may as well talk about this, is you've got the battery. So the battery just pops off with this little latch. That's the way it kind of gets held in there. You got the charging port on here and just the contacts there. So the reason the battery is detachable is because this is made to be an all-day set to wear it all the time. So once the battery goes flat, you just swap it with another one, chuck it in, and you're good to go. So these batteries do last a very long time. You'd be surprised. Obviously, it depends on how much you use that radio and the Bluetooth music feature. But also in there, I've just got a few frequencies written up for the different channels as well. So that comes in, you see that it clips in place really well. I haven't had an issue with any of this breaking, anything going bad, so that's nice there. Then on the front here, you've got this microphone. So this is the microphone that you bring forward that you actually talk into for the transmission over radio. And then you've also got these two other microphones on each cup. So these microphones here are there to basically sense when the volume gets too loud and cut off that volume that comes through, or that sound that does come through. This is also nice. You can tuck it away. You can move it up and down. You can also extend it here as well. So if you undo this, you can pull it in and out to really well suit your face and how you like it. So that's nice. All of this is obviously plastic, but it's really nice plastic. It is quite flexible, which is good. So it's not brittle. It doesn't snap. Again, I've used these extensively for years and nothing's failed on it. So they're absolutely fantastic. It really goes to show the quality that 3M uses. If you are using a set quite a bit, definitely get something like this, and especially 3M. I can just highly recommend them. They're a really good brand with that. So then that microphone runs down the bottom and it just plugs into here, and then you've got another expansion port on the side. And then you've got these two buttons as well. So this is going to be on your back or kind of behind. So your microphone obviously is on the front here. You're talking this way, and then your right hand kind of comes in here, and you've got these three buttons, and again these other two buttons on the back that I said. So the right button here, I usually kind of put my hand on there and then just use my thumb. So that's going to be your transmission button, so your TX button for your radio. So when you press that, you're then transmitting onto it. The left button here is for the Bluetooth control, so you can pause the music, you can double press it and it'll skip music. And you might even actually be able to set what it does through the menu on the inside. I haven't really played with it. I just like that. I've got the radio on the right and I've got the music on the left. So when you have these on, you can be listening to music through your phone, so they can connect to your phone. You can also take calls through your phone, so that's really good. That button will also control that. But then if you actually go and transmit, or any signal that's received will be played a lot louder over that music. So you can adjust how much the music dims. You can also turn off while any radio calls are coming in or while you're transmitting. And it will play your voice back to yourself in real time when you're transmitting. Just because of obviously the noise suppression properties of these, you sometimes can't hear yourself and can be a little bit weird. So that will come back through the speakers as well. So that's a nice feature. All right, that's those buttons there. And then you've got your three main buttons here. So the center button here is what you hold to turn the set on. And then if you press it once, it'll then start toggling through the menu, and you can press it multiple times and it'll change those settings as well through the menu on the inside. Then you've got the minus and plus, so that's just going to be for your volume as well. The only other thing is, I guess you've got this cable up the top here that just runs through the top to connect the two cups together. And again, these cups are also adjustable, so they are quite hard to pull, but that's really good because once you set it, you don't really want them slipping and changing back and forth. So you've got that change there. And then obviously you've got the antenna on the left here. So this can sometimes get caught in stuff. If you are going in and out of vehicles, you will feel it. You'll kind of tap it on the roof, but it's not an issue. The antenna is super flexible, and it does have a really nice solid mount down the bottom here. So it actually has an extra little rubber ring around there, I think, just to absorb some of that force of it whipping around. So that's nice. And again, flexible antenna. So you will hit it into things, but there's no issue at all with the antenna breaking or anything like that. You can see it's got quite a lot of wear on top there just by that hitting bits and pieces. I'm not going to go too much into all the other features and the actual software settings of this. I'll put a list below of all the features and the specific specifications that this does have. I just more wanted to do a general overview of this set and my personal, I guess, recommendation of this set after using it for, it's been 2 or 3 years now. Really good set, really good build quality by 3M, so absolutely fantastic set. And I probably don't use all the features that this actually has. I'll also put a link down to this below, Amazon link, so if you are looking at getting a set like this or any other set, if you use that link, it just supports the channel, so that's very much appreciated. Awesome, well there you go, that's a good overview of this Peltor WS LiteCom Pro set. Very good set, very much like it, highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, hope you got something out of this, and as always, have a good one.